one of offers.
She is an actress and an entrepreneur. So actually, as a young actress, she decided that she will do what we couldn't do.
You have certainly left a fine example of reliability, dependability, and commitment. You are, without question, a most deserving recipient of the award of the prestigious Ghana Actors and Entertainers Honors Award, July 2020, from Kunames Entertainment. Our sister and daughter here. Award.
Something like this could happen.
Without naughty laughter.
When we started Home Sweet Home, we were closing 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. I was getting home 1 o'clock, 2 a.m., 2:30 a.m. Sometimes when Ima appear, the director gets excited, we shoot the whole net.
We hope that you are motivated enough to continue and improve your efforts in uplifting young creators in the creative arts industry. You are without question a most deserving recipient of the award of the prestigious Ghana Actors and Entertainers Honors Award. Presented to Charles Ampofo. You have made a remarkable impact on the cultural ethos of the creative arts industry and led by example in all you have done. What you do for your health, double energy drink from Adonko.
Thank you.
To take.
Thank you.
Yo, Mr. Brown. There we can make here. COVID there,
On the cultural ethos of the crew in recognition of your leadership.
Mr. Brown, come.
Well, and some money.
Look of
Drink from Adonko Bitters.
the first taste of theater. Okay.